Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make custom stickers for your Discord. So right now I'm using Adobe Photoshop to create a custom sticker. So open Adobe Photoshop and click on File, New, and give width 512 pixel and height 512 pixel, and background contents select transparent and click on OK. I'm gonna selecting here text tool and typing a text here, and I'm gonna selecting this text, clicking on font style, and from here I'm gonna selecting this font and changing the text color. Okay, done, and clicking on File, Save As, click on Format, and from here you must have to select PNG format, and you can change the name of the sticker. And click on Save. Okay, and here we can see the sticker has been created. Now let's see how to upload this sticker to our Discord. So I'm going to opening my server here and clicking on server name, server settings, stickers, upload sticker, clicking on browse and selecting my sticker, and give a sticker name and select a emoji and click on upload. So the sticker has been uploaded. Now let's see how to use the custom sticker. I'm going to click on sticker, and here is the sticker I just created. So that's how you can make sticker on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.